right, let's get you underneath the C10. This truck is so nice under here. Look at that. You can see it's got the new wood bed that was put in when it was restored. But it's just otherwise like really original. Like the frame's in great shape. There's no rust. There's no rust repair. It's just super tidy under here. Check this out. Really clean up in there. And over here. And usually you're just going to find some rust somewhere on these original trucks, but not on this one. Really nice. Look at the inner bed walls are nice. All of the frame area. There's just a really nice rust-free undercarriage. You can see up the upper, at the back of the cab, especially at those lower points, which are kind of vulnerable. It's in good shape. So that's pretty cool. You get up here, you know, you can see the newer shocks, bushings, springs, everything up here that's been done when the car was restored or the truck was restored. And a newer starter, obviously, from when all that was done. Just really tidy. It's in nice shape. You can tell when you drive it too, just a great driving truck. Anyway, there it is.